world's inside of me, living quietly. Probiotics working hard, keeping balance in my skin. They calm the storm, ease the flare, make the redness disappear. A little army fighting gently from within. And every day they're building up my natural shield. So my skin can breathe again, repair and heal. Probiotics bring the glow, keep my skin soft and slow. Probiotics feed the way, help the good ones grow and stay. Postbiotics seal the deal, student skin so it can heal. From the inside out I shine again. It's a glow from within. Probiotics lay the ground like a garden in the skin, feeding all the friendly ones so harmony begins. They strengthen up the barrier, keep the moisture locked inside. So my skin stays calm and bright through day and night. And every step they take just makes me feel renewed. Quiet kind of magic in everything they do. Probiotics bring the glow, keep my skin soft and slow. Probiotics feed the way, help the good ones grow and stay. Postbiotics seal the deal, student skin so it can heal. From the inside out I shine again. It's a glow from within. Postbiotics whisper softly, let the healing start. They smooth the lines, calm the heat, bring peace into my heart. Together they're a trio, a symphony for skin, a gentle evolution happening within. Probiotics bring the glow, keep my skin soft and slow. Probiotics